Hello, besties. Welcome back. I'm here with the part 2 of the AI Dancers Monthly Challenge. Two cute babies will be representing each month. No green make a birthday month carry last, so leave your comments below and like this video. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, Judy's starting off strong with the energy. Ooh, I love her energy. Very energetic, and she's so cute. Wow, such a sweet girl. She looks quite like a reserved type. Free Boss, where are you there? Oh, she's too fine. Oh, I love this song. Her rhythm is on point. This is her turn. Ooh, another fine day. This is so cute. More people didn't come to play. Okay. Wow, she's happy dance, so this is a 10. April. Yes, Mama Sita. She's just a happy girl who's happy dance. Ooh, maybe for you in the house. Give them. Ooh, OMG. She's so cute and tiny. I love this. I love her so much. June 4th or away. Leave your comments below. She didn't come to play. Okay. OMG, another cutie. Such a fine babe. They all came through with energy. I guess. Oh, that's a sweet little cupcake. Okay, no green make your birthday month carry last. Leave your comments below, like this video, and share to your loved ones. Ooh. a cutie. It's really gonna be hard to choose though. They are all so fine. Wow. October, where are you there? Leave your comments below. Dance or also kaka. I love her braids. So cute. 30 inches bust down. Okay, November people, where are you there? Come on, Mo. There's a mucha and casa. November 4 years. Twins. They are so cute. Let me know in the comment section if there is any twin in the house. Ooh, another cutie representing December. She's so fine. Please do subscribe if you are new here. Mood for the whole weekend. They are all cute, but let me know in the comment section which man's won. Thank you all so much for sticking and staying with me throughout the entire video. Which man's won this round? No gree make your birthday man's carry last, so leave your comments below and like this video. I love you all so much and may God bless you all. See you in our next video. Bye.